Our next transaction is of 14 January 2020, and it says sales made of following items to Mr. Bashir. Now, before we entered the sales order that needs to be converted to sales invoice in future. Now, for this customer, this is a direct sales invoice without a sales order in the background. So the treatment is very simple. As I told you earlier, that sales order and sales invoice template is exactly the same. So I'll go in customers and sales and click on sales invoice and click on new sales invoice. Now this sales is made to Bashir. Now Bashir is our existing customer. So I'll select Bashir and simply enter the sales invoice. Date is 14 January. And since we don't have any invoice number, let's give it any number that we want. Now simply start entering the invoice. First item is Corolla windscreen, and the quantity is 5 Corolla windscreen at 16,000. 5 Corolla windscreen at 16,000. If you notice that the price has changed. Before it was 15,000, now it is sold for 16,000. And the second item is quantity is 10 and it is Civic headlights. Now unit price is 46,000. 46,000. Press tab. And third one is Suzuki filters. Quantity is 4 Suzuki filters. And the unit price is 450. So this makes the total to 1800. Now let's confirm once before finally entering in the system. 80,000, 460,000 and 1800. 80,000, 460,000 and 1800. It is for Bashir. All okay. Date is okay. Now let's go in save. And there are two options in save. You can either memorize it or you can save it. But since we are on the smart posting, we need to save it first, and it shows you the prompt that the credit limit is already exceeded. Click yes to continue. Now if we go again on new sales invoice, maybe it will ask you from the prompt to enter it finally. Now it's not asking it, so it already posted this document. Morning journals to be posted, sales and state order return. You want to post them? Yes. So now and then every time it asks for the second confirmation to post this document. So smart posting is stopped. Here you can see if you click on this and start smart posting, transaction to post, it's basically posted in future, so you can just close it. So anyways, that's how we enter direct sales without any order conversion in Peachtree.